I'm sure you've heard the news. Preventive maintenance is a game changer. But what does that mean for you? Preventive maintenance is all about keeping your equipment in top shape and minimizing those annoying, unexpected downtimes. Think of it like regular checkups for your machines. So, how does it work? First, choose a piece of equipment you want to monitor. Next, set a maintenance interval that makes sense, maybe monthly, weekly, or quarterly. Then perform the necessary tasks when the time comes, like changing air filters or lubing bearings. And repeat, there are two main types of preventive maintenance: time-based, like changing oil every 3 months, and usage-based, triggered by metrics like operating hours. The key, finding the right balance. Too much maintenance wastes resources, too little leads to breakdowns. It's all about trial and error. Why should you care? Reduced downtime, longer equipment life, improved safety, better resource management, cost savings, and increased profits. So remember, preventive maintenance is your secret weapon to minimize downtime, maximize equipment lifespan, and boost profits. Thanks for watching.